think this is a very interesting topic. Let's move on to the next one. So what will include for these lectures? What is the air-cooled chillers and versus what is a water-cooled chillers? And then we talk how does it work, the principle of the air-cooled chillers and water-cooled chillers. And number three, we'll talk about the design consideration for both of the chillers. Okay, great. Let's move on to next. So what is the air-cooled chiller and what is a water-cooled chillers? I have some little diagram here. So for water-cooled chiller, air-cooled chillers, as you can see on the left of the photos. So here we have a floor-mounted air handlers that take in the outside air through the louvers into the air, into the so it's on the right. So in contrast, if we were to do a water-cooled chiller for this building, we will need to give us so many space. Now we have to get rid of the air-cooled chillers, and then we have opened up a room dedicated in the first floor, preferably, and then we need to have to install a chiller and a pump in the first floor, preferably with a dedicated room normally for that. And we will need to provide access louvers or access to replace these chillers. As you can see that the first floor on the right side, if we have ever to do some replacement to clean the pipes, replace the pipes, and then we will need to also need to install the chill water pipes for those. tower pump and pipes, and we get rid of the cooling or water cooled chillers, and also get rid of the associated pipe and pumps, and also get rid of the penthouse, as you can see here. So here we only need the air cooled chiller, and a chill water pump still need to be there and connecting the piping. And please, so see on the see on the right side of the photo. Similarly, here we have four pipes, horizontal fan coil starting, and then so during the cooling seasons, we got chill water supply and return in blue colors, and heating hot water supply and return in red colors. And now we rejected the heat from this. You can see from this condenser coils and through the fan and then out out of to the atmosphere on top of the roof. And but um, in contrast, for water cooled chiller, we use cooling tower to reject the heat. So we use air to reject the heat for air cool, but and we use water or liquid to reject the heat for the water cooled chiller systems. Okay, moving on to next one. So that's this slide we're talking about the design consideration. So number one will be cooling capacities. So water cooled chillers is typically range at between 10 to 6,000 refrigerant ton. So it's um it's quite a lot. So it will depending on your applications. And air cooled chiller is typically at range between 7.5 to 600 refrigerant ton. So this is relatively smaller. You can see 10 times smaller than the water cooled chillers in terms of the capacities. Number two, capital cost and maintenance cost. So for water cool, it needs a lot of more equipment as we see, including cooling towers, water treatments, rain lines, and some form of the sand and centrifugal filters. And for water cooled chillers, it's very straightforward. Normally get it the complete package from the factory, including the compressors, condensers, also with the option of the having the chill water piping to be pumped to be included from the factory as well. Um, so this will cause air cooled chiller has a lower install cost, simply installations, and lower for maintenance due to the less component and no water issue or chemical to be treated like a cooling towers. Cooling towers has a lot of maintenance work need to be checked. The fan, the water quality need to be checked, and there's a lot of fouling always on the bottom of the basins. They also need to be take account for. And number three will be higher efficiency for water cooled chillers. Usually will be more energy efficient due to the fact that the compressor will have to less work because water cooled chillers has less lower condensed water temperature and pressures, and also based it on the thermodynamic load. Whenever you have a delta T difference has more difference, your heat transfer rate will be higher. So that's the reason behind it. And pretty straightforward. So next one will be water cooled chiller has a longer equipment life normally because they are mostly installed indoor, and while air cooled chiller is installed outdoor exposed to the environment and elements, and water cooled chillers normally will roughly have a 20 to 30 years of life expectancy. Air cooled chiller is about 10, 15 to 20 years. And number four, so another design consideration will be when lower energy costs, you can use the air cooled chillers, but if when you have a when the higher energy cost, you might need to use a water cooled chiller since it's more efficient. This is from the efficient standpoint. Um, and next one will be uh, but but number five will be when lower water cost, then you can use water cooled chiller. Definitely, it has a lot of water consumption. When you're using a water cooled chiller, you have a cooling tower, which is a big factor for that. And but when higher water cost, maybe you need to avoid the water cooled chiller. You use the air cooled chiller for that. So that's pretty much cover for this lectures. I hope you enjoyed and thank you so much for watching.